guys, this is Joel and welcome back to 928 OBS. In this week's video, I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do to the truck for quite some time now, a few weeks. A few weeks ago, in one of my last videos, I asked a question about what my next project was going to be, and I gave the hint that it's going to be 40 inches long. So anyways, now I'm finally getting to work on it, and let me show you what it is. Stacks. No, I'm just kidding. I like stacks, but they're not really for me. What I'm working on is pretty much a stack, but I'm gonna actually mount it under my truck like a regular exhaust tip, but it's gonna be a little bit longer, a little bit bigger. This is pretty much a six inch. I might call it a tip, because that's really what it is. So yeah, 6 inches, kind of the cat design, and I got another little toy that I want to show you guys. It's the Lincoln Power MIG 210 MP. It's a MIG welder, stick welder, and TIG welder. It works great. I've only used it a little bit. This is gonna be my first kind of bigger project using that. But so far I'm really impressed. I really like it. And as I go on a little bit more, I'll show you how it welds and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. But so far I really like it, and I'm really pleased with it. Okay, so one of the more important things to getting a nice clean weld is to have some nice prep on your metal. Get it nice and clean. As you can see, I already got the slant part and the long piece already nice and clean and ready. So now what I gotta do is prep this whole long edge on both pieces so I can tack them together and weld them together and make sure I get a nice clean weld. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Now that I welded the slant part, we're gonna go back and weld the two long sides, which should be pretty fun. I'm really looking forward to it. But anyways, I'm gonna throw you back on the time lapse and we'll get this done. Okay guys, so we're done with this stack tip thing that I'm doing, and it turned out great. I'm really happy with the welder. It performed great, flawlessly. It did some really good looking welds. Let me show you this thing because it turned out great. I love it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Like I said, it really turned out really good. I really like it. I can't wait to put it on the truck and see how it sounds. So actually it's not 100% done. I actually forgot the base plate to this that I was gonna weld to my actual exhaust. So I'm gonna have to finish it tomorrow. But the actual body of it is done. And like I said, man, it looks really good. But if you really take your time, I feel like this machine will really do some really nice welds. Like I said, I just wanted to get this thing done. I just want to throw it on there. I am gonna throw some paint, but I'm actually gonna leave it like this. I was thinking about grinding all the welds flush. But for some reason, I actually like it like this. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it like that. And the really lazy part of me doesn't want to grind all these welds off, so we're gonna leave it. But I'm actually really happy. This thing did really good, and like I said, I really like that I got it hooked up to my regular 120 outlet, and it did really well. I can't wait to actually try it out on some 240 or 220, whatever it is, and see what that can do, because like I said, it welds really good. I'm really happy with it. But anyways, I'll probably wait to upload this video until I have the base plate and have it all installed in the truck so I can show you how it sounds. But I don't know, or I might just upload this. We'll see. By the way, am I the only one that thinks that the tailgate on your truck is the best workbench? I mean, I love it. But to be honest, I think I gotta build myself a little workbench. Okay, so I took the last piece of the exhaust off that I need to be able to fit the tip that I want right where I want it. So right now it's basically just the downpipe, and I'm gonna fire it up and see what it sounds like. Cause I'm really curious to hear it. So anyways, let's do that. Okay guys, so we're done with this monstrosity of a thing that I created, and oh, I like it. It's cool. It's been a fun little project, and that's pretty much all this thing was. You know, it was just a little project to test out the new welder, see what I think about it. And like I said, I'll probably make a review about it here in a couple days. Let you guys know what I think about it. But so far, it's been working great. Okay guys, so this thing is done. It's under the truck. I got the hanger on there. It's looking good. I like how it looks. I don't know. I had never seen one done like that, so now we'll see if it sounds as good as it looks. Let's try it out. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to do some drive-bys. I've already filmed the truck stock, well, with the exhaust, with the 4-inch exhaust that I had on it. And now I want to see what it sounds like with the 6-inch tip. I do have a feeling that it's going to be a little bit louder, deeper, and get that whistle that I was looking for. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe. And by the way, I have one little sneak peek for you guys for the next video. I just got all these parts in for the truck, except that big box. That's for the welder. But I got all these other boxes for the truck, and that's just a small part of what I've got coming. So like I said, you know, subscribe if you want to keep following this build, because it's really gonna get interesting now. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you think those are. It shouldn't be too hard to guess. So anyways, let me know.